Hello, I will talk to you a superficial view, a highlight about optical sensors, and I will do it by didactically dividing these sensors with respect to their evolution. I separate them in three generations: the analog, the first generation, the second generation is the transistor generation, and then the third, which means the digital electronic generation. Let's start by the first generation and talking about the light dependent resistor, the LDR. This resistor decreases its resistance with the increase of light intensity and can be used as an on-off sensor in many applications. The second generation, the second generation, the main actors are the solid-state devices. One example is the LED, light emitting diode, and the phototransistors embedded in the same device, known as sensor of proximity. This device has many usages in our daily life, from car parking assistance to electronic gates or doors. In this slide, we can see the sensor in orange attached to an electronic circuit that will serve as an interface with the actuator, in this case the coil of a contactor switched by a relay. Another example of photodiode and or phototransistor usage is in the level sensors, where the sensor changes its state on off after its contact with the liquid, based on refraction indexes. And its operation is clearer in this slide, where the water acts as a medium to disperse the light, reducing the signal to the transistor. We can also associate many levels sensors to create an option to monitor the level of a tank in many stages, but that will need the usage of an interface to digital control unit and to the actuator using analog digital and digital analog conversions. Here we can see many examples of optical sensors in our daily life: optical fences, burglar alarms, door and light automation. The three generation of optical sensors is based in the third generation of optical sensors is based in the use of digital camera, where millions of solid-state devices will be gathered. The revolution in the digital electronics, for example used in digital cameras and microprocessors, represent today the basis of the vision machine that is used to inspect and to control systems. Some examples of inspection can be seen in this slide with different applications. Here is the case of the hot area sensors in human beings or in electric circuits. Another new usage is the control of people's lives to security or to commercial reasons, useful and controversial. Please see here the flow of information from the sensor to the actuator, analog to digital using the camera, control unit in a digital way, and conversion with, if necessary, to analog signal to the actuator. And in the next three slides, see the examples in industry and in our lives, such as in automatic selection of elements, autonomous vehicles, and robot operations. I work with optical metrology and use laser interferometry to monitor phenomena in many areas. You can get in contact with me if you want more details. I suggest you to see this last slide in this last slide an interesting work that shows how further we can go. Thank you.